Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this video, I'll show you how to add a password to a Microsoft Word, which helps protect your document from unauthorized access. First, open the Microsoft Word document that you want to protect with a password. Make sure all your content is finalized before applying security settings. Now look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will open the Backstage view in Microsoft Word. In the File menu, make sure Info is selected from the left side. On the right side, you will see several options related to document protection and permissions. Next, click on Protect Document. A drop-down menu will appear with multiple security options. From this list, select Encrypt with Password. This option allows you to set a password that is required every time the document is opened. A dialog box will now appear asking you to enter a password. Carefully type a strong password that you can remember. For better security, use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering the password, click OK. Microsoft Word will now ask you to confirm the password. Re-enter the same password exactly as before, and then click OK again. Once this is done, your document is now password protected. To test it, close the document completely. Now open the same file again. You will see a password prompt asking you to enter the password before accessing the document. Without the correct password, the document cannot be opened. Keep in mind that Microsoft Word does not provide a way to recover a forgotten password. If you forget the password, you may permanently lose access to the document. Always store your password in a safe place or use a password manager if necessary. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Full Course Online for more Microsoft Word tutorials, tips, and full courses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.